Well, hello there, I'm Jordi from Jordinner and welcome to a new episode. Today we're making pasta parmesan with garlic. For this recipe we need these ingredients: parmesan cheese, garlic, black pepper, olive oil and of course pasta. Start by adding some salt to a big pan of water. While it comes to a boil, cut the garlic into small pieces. I use 1 clove, but if you're a garlic fan you can always add more. When the water is boiling, give the pasta a brief twist with your hands and drop it in the water. Cook it until al dente. I always cook it 1 minute shorter than it says on the package. Now add some oil to a frying pan and fry the garlic at a low temperature. Make sure it doesn't burn or the garlic will turn bitter. As you can see, my dog is already done with hot weather and only wants to sleep. Anyway, back to the stove. When the pasta is cooking, add it to the pan. Keep adding cooking water if the pasta gets too dry. The starch in the cooking liquid ensures that the pasta becomes nice and creamy. But it only gets really good once we add the Parmesan cheese. So grate some cheese over the pasta and stir everything well. When everything is nicely mixed and melted, put everything in a nice bowl or whatever you have laying around. Grate some extra cheese on top for the finishing touch and enjoy! And that's it! As you can see, you don't need a lot of ingredients to make something really delicious. The most simple things are oftentimes the most delicious. But as always, I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy baking and cooking. Let me know down in the comments what you want to see next. And of course, I see you in the next video.